Recon EAS, and I just unboxed that thing. And now I have another thing to unbox. This also came today, and I took it out of the packaging so I didn't have to worry about that. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. I don't have a lot of time, so again, I apologize for the time rush thing, and I apologize for not doing a call again, but I just don't have time right now to talk. Put that down, pull radio out. Batteries right here to power it on. I also want to see if my cord. My Knifi's over here. From the previous unboxing, as you can see, my lovely Knifi. Let's cut the tape off real quick. Yep, there it goes. Alright. Unravel this. Oh, clip. This manual. And there's the radio. San Patricio. Huh, interesting. That's cool. Alright, let's press the buttons as normal. Wish this radio good luck. That's all of them. Alright, let's go ahead and power this on real quick. There it goes. And it takes 3 AA's, which I've got some right over here. I'm gonna probably use my WR100 power cord, see if that works. If not, I'll use my 12-991 power cord, see if that one works. But yeah. Alright, is this alkaline or rechargeable? This is alkaline. Okay, want to make sure I get that switch correct. Alright, let's go ahead and give this thing a look. Let's see if I can put this battery almost in. Alright, and boom. Oh, it might help if I take the cover off. Alright, it says searching. Available. Let's go to alarm. Don't need that. I need to set the clock.
Failed today.
Nah, that's obviously I haven't used this radio before. So clock, select, I think. Nope. What's the select button? Is it this? That's not what I wanted. Ah! When you don't use a radio. Alright, menu. Set clock. Is it the power button? Yes. No.
PM, Mountain.
At this point, I need to read the freaking. I hate it when I have to read the manuals, but obviously I have to. Oh, the select button. Oh. Alright, let's try this one more time. As I dropped the phone. That's not what I wanted. Okay, why is there like a black thing in the middle of the screen? Alright. So. Press menu. Come on. Alright, there we go. The select button is actually this button. There we go, that's what I wanted to hear. No. I want... Oh, this is a fail. This is a complete fail. Complete fail. Set the clock, press menu until the clock, press the hour. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Yep, there it goes. Ugh. I'm stupid. It is 9:03. Nope. 9. 9. It is. Oh, it's actually 09. No, it's actually 9:10. 9:10. It is PM. Saved. Set clock, temperature, select channel. Nope. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Alright, select channel. Auto, I want. No. Yes, I know. I don't want on you. Manual. No, auto. Manual.
Today's high temperature in Kansas. Light winds in the morning and coming down. Cities of Payson, which was set in 1988. Around 7.
Manual.
The record.
Perfect. Alright, alert mode. I want that as not tone but voice. Select. Alert reminder. I'll have it on, why not? Save that. Significant SIG reminder. And turn that on. Area select. No, I don't need tone defeat. No. Alright, that's basically it, the setup. Anyway, that was a big fail. But this is Recon EAS. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you like and subscribe. Again, if you haven't seen it, do watch the unboxing of that. That's amazing. And I'll be back in a couple hours with the test for Utah. Alrighty, guys. See you later. Oh, yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.